We'll take Reem's recommendations, which I'm very interested in. तो I'm sure you also love non-veg, like
Yeah, of
है ना?
course.
Perfect.
Yeah.
तो मैं अब आपसे स्टार्ट करता हूँ. पहला रिकमेंडेशन, अगर रीम से बोला जाए कि छुट्टियों पे जाना है तो माउंटेन्स, बीचेस या डेजर्ट्स?
But it's very difficult to choose. But अगर मौसम है तो पहाड़ों में जाओ. because पहाड़ विंटर्स के वक्त बहुत खूबसूरत लगते हैं. And if summers, then go to the beach.
Yeah, simple.
Yeah.
A skincare tip for someone.
Don't overdo it. Trust me. Don't overdo it because I've done it. I've done it all because I had PCOS. I anyway have an acne-prone skin. So I've done it all. I've dealt with that thing for a very long time. I'm still dealing with. But don't overdo it because the more you overdo it, it gets more complicated. So don't overdo it. Keep it simple.
Okay. तो कोई घर वाला नुस्खा जो आपको एक जनरेशन ऊपर से मिला है कि ये घर पे लगाओ, जैसे
जनरेशन से तो नहीं, बट
जो आपने खुद ही
जैसे like I really believe in मुल्तानी मिट्टी and चंदन का पाउडर. Make it a paste, put it, and it really works wonders. And उसके अलावा rice water. So you soak rice overnight, you put it in the fridge so it's a little ठंडा and the skin feels better. जब आप सुबह splash करो अपने मुंह पे, so rice water really works.
Oh yeah, I have seen that on Instagram.
Yeah.
Awesome. A hairstyle hack tip for someone who fails to style her hair.
I fail to style my hair. You look at my interview or any appearance, I only have this one hairstyle and that's this. Trust me guys, I can't do my hair. I generally can't do my hair.
Okay. A movie you would suggest for a cinephile. अगर कोई अपने आप को मूवी लवर मानता है तो कोई एक मूवी जो उसको देखनी चाहिए.
यार ये recommendation तो मुझे चाहिए honestly. But Rockstar.
Agree. Great film. A web show.
अजीब दास्तान. Because उसमें इतने सारे डायरेक्टर्स ने एक साथ आके छोटी छोटी कहानियां इतनी खूबसूरती से दिखाई हैं that I think अजीब दास्तान will be a package.
Yeah, criminally underrated show.
Yeah.
A destination in India every traveler must visit.
India that every traveler must visit. Kashmir. Is there any place where you keep going back to? That I keep going back to? India में नहीं है. Like I keep going back to Dubai and it's not because I'm a shopaholic or something like that. It's just that place keeps calling me back.
कुछ जगहों में होता है ऐसा. जैसे बॉम्बे के बारे में कहते हैं हमेशा लोग दिल्ली से कंपेयर करते हैं. अब मुझे 10 साल हो गए. Now I know यहाँ पे हिडन जेम्स हैं. तो an eatery in Mumbai you love.
यार बहुत मुझे तो ताज्जुब होता है इस बात पे कि लोगों को सरदार पाव भाजी नहीं पता है. That's in town. Like I ask people that have you had Sardar Pav Bhaji and they're like, what's that? I'm like, are you dumb? Or are you new in Bombay? And so many people who've lived in Bombay for 10-15 years have not had Sardar Pav Bhaji. So Sardar Pav Bhaji is the best Pav Bhaji I've had. Then उसके बाहर एक बहुत अच्छा पान भी मिलता है. वो मैं तब खाती थी जब वो 5 रुपए का था, आज 20 रुपए का मिलता है. And सरदार पाव भाजी है. Then मैं तो मतलब मोहम्मद अली रोड में पूरा रमजान बचपन से गुजारा है. So मोहम्मद अली रोड amazing food. My God. And yeah.
Okay. वहाँ का भेजा fries to die for. Your go-to perfume which you'll recommend?
YSL. I'm forgetting the name called. Such situation, but it's YSL perfume. I'll tell you the name later, but it's YSL for sure. I'm forgetting the name.
Okay.
Can't remember.
Okay. A dating tip.
Why are you asking me? Who's been single since I don't know how long.
But still, if you want to put it out to someone,
just make sure that you're dating them at least, and it's not a situationship or benching or I don't know what all terms people use nowadays. Just at least make sure that you're dating and it's a proper dating situation.
Yeah, simple basics. ये terms मुझे लगता है और confuse करते हैं.
Yeah, so just first of all make sure that you're dating.
Yeah. Now dating से relationship में आ गया अगर इंसान तो relationship advice.
सब उस लड़की को पूछो जो सिंगल है. Advice, I think अगर उस इंसान में सुकून ना मिले तो वो इंसान आपके लिए नहीं है.
क्या बात. बस घर बना लेना चाहिए. Next, an advice to boys in general.
I mean, I don't know why boys think that we can't cry or all boys don't cry. I mean, I would love to see that softness of a man. I would love to. Like you can be an alpha for the world, but when you come back to your girl I think if you can't cry in front of your girl, then what's that relationship even? So, I mean, it's genuinely okay to cry.
Yeah, that's it. It's a sign of honesty also that you are taking
it's
it out.
Genuinely okay to cry.
Yeah. And lastly, an ethic Reem lives by.
See, I try to be on time everywhere I go. Like, I try. Not I'm saying कि मैं perfect हूँ और मैं हमेशा हर जगह time पे पहुँचती हूँ, but I always try that I am not late